Hey Bulldogs, this demonstration lab is for one of our boiling point labs. In this lab we're going to compare the boiling point of water with the boiling point of 91% isopropyl rubbing alcohol. In each of these beakers is about 50 milliliters of the liquid. And I already heated them up just so we wouldn't have to wait for each one of them to get to boiling, because that can take a little while and it's kind of boring. But you can see in the beaker on the right, which contains the rubbing alcohol, is already boiling. I can tell because it's bubbling. So what I'm going to do is measure the temperature with this thermometer to see the temperature at which that alcohol is boiling. It's boiling quite vigorously now. So by the time we measure this temperature, hopefully the water will be boiling as well. We're going to learn the boiling point of rubbing alcohol here. And we're going to learn the boiling point of water here. The temperature on that thermometer and the alcohol is still creeping up just a little bit. And it's at about 80.7 degrees Celsius. Or 80.8. And look at that. You can see the temperature is now no longer changing. It's at the temperature at which that alcohol is going to boil. You know that when it boils, it becomes a gas. So when the alcohol is a vapor, the temperature is above 80.8 degrees. But since the alcohol that is boiling is still a liquid, it's going to remain at the boiling point. The water is now approaching boiling. So you've recorded 80.8 degrees as the boiling point of the rubbing alcohol. You take the thermometer out of the alcohol and put it in the water. And I'm getting some weird error on my thermometer right now. Okay, while that water is boiling, I'm getting a very strange error. Oh, there we go. I fixed my thermometer. Okay, I'm going to put that thermometer back in the water now. And there's the temperature. And it's already well above 80.8 degrees. So we know that water and rubbing alcohol are not going to boil at the same temperature. So let's watch this thermometer until the temperature kind of stops changing. It hit 100 degrees Celsius and now it's barely changing at all. And 100 degrees Celsius is the boiling point of water on the Celsius scale. So that thermometer is going to stay right around 100 degrees until all of that water is boiled off. The water vapor's temperature will be more than 100 degrees because it is a gas, but the water in the beaker is still a liquid, so it's going to stay right at 100 degrees. So in your data table, record that water boiled at 100 degrees Celsius, and now you have all the information you need to answer the two conclusion questions.